Oh, cool. Well, I got it in. I started it and I got it down. Parked it as perfect as I could, and as soon as I put it in park, boom, shut off. Boom, it shut off. Boom, it shut off. Tell him. Boom.
Boom.
Yeah.
Thing right now. The song.
$87 to fill up this car. OMG. It's in my Sam's Club order. Shot it, put it in the car by myself. Chuchi fell asleep. Now it's time to get in the house.
Hi guys, so we're going to the beach. The beach. Let's go to the beach. Come on, going out there. And we have a beach stuff, and Chuchi is finally starting out with Tada. Banging it. So, Nana. So, get inside the car before. Don't say anything at the camera, okay? But anyway, I'm sure you'll love this trip.
I put it right there on the floor.
You're not taking this one? It's just.
Are there any? Okay, thank you. This keep under your feet so it doesn't fall on the floor, okay?
Keep under my feet?
Mm-hmm. Right there.
Whoa, where did all these crumbs come from?
I don't know. That's why I didn't want to sit there.
Us? Where do you want this?
Preferably nowhere. Emmy's already in my space. Can we like move this all over a little bit? Organize this?
No.
I'm literally gonna have to sit like this. Like I can't do that. When you put this in here.
Don't worry, I'll do it.
Move your seat up a little.
Yeah, move your seat up, Zoe. I don't have space.
Who told you to be so tall?
Even Emmy wouldn't have room for this.
I think my seat moves up.
It does.
on the bottom, Brad.
On the what?
It does, on the bottom. She was calling you Bud, but she accidentally said Brud.
Red. She said red.
Oh, okay, these. I'm very fond of these.
Finally, buddy.
I'm not gonna have no
Put
space.
your feet up here.
No, I'm not doing
Then
that.
drive.
Alani, I can move back there.
Okay, but I'm not sure you're gonna even have space for your feet. You're gonna be sitting crisscross applesauce.
Here, just
That's okay with you.
Look, this works better. Hold on.
How about we organize this a little?
Yeah. Here, I'll move my legs here.
How about we organize this a little, huh?
Yeah, how about we do actually? Here, I'll move this. I move this here. Bye, guys. I
Space for her feet. She's complaining.
No, Bobby, this is not a case of like, I'm a little squished. There's literally no space for my leg.
Okay, give me the bag.
see ya. See ya, guys.
Got here. This is the park to it. We're at New Smyrna Beach. They have the red flag out and they closed to enter for with the cars. So we're probably gonna let the kids play, and then maybe if they want to play down there, we're definitely not getting in the water with the red flag out. And those waves look crazy high. So we're just gonna, I might go get our chairs and let Emmy and Emilio play in the sand and stuff, because it still looks cute out here. Well, not cute, like good. See, there's cars over there. The water's already creeping up to them though. Well, it's definitely still packed. They changed it? Where's the flag?
Over there.
Oh, I can't see it from here. Is the lifeguard out there?
Yeah, I think so.
You guys want to play in the sand and stuff? I mean, I'm not getting in the water, but if you guys want to, I can go get the chairs. I like being right here because the bathrooms are right there. Where's Emilio? Okay. Hey, Chuchi. Do you guys want to go down there? I can grab the chairs. You guys they could play in the water.
I remember this beach.
Yeah.
We should take Emilio and
To play first? Okay, come on.
and Enzo.
And Enzo.
Enzo wants to play this so bad.
Yeah, so come on.
Wait, who is Enzo? But
Sit on it.
sit on it.
Yeah.
Shake me.
Whoa.
What is this?
Oh my god, Chuchi's over there.
Chuchi, come! Whoa!
Wait.
Alani, get on this side. Man, we'll lift both of you up. Whoa! Whoa! You scared?
Normally.
Alright.
No.
Like a civilized human being. All right, you guys ready?
You want to get on?
Woo! This is like a ride at the fair.
Move over, mommy.
Whoa.
Uh-oh, big bag's coming through. Oh, I thought it was you, Lon Lon. Go, Gigi! Here, record us. Gigi!
Support his back, he's gonna fall.
Woo, Gigi! He's yelling.
He's smiling.
His little laugh. Woo! Oh crap! Oh my gosh, that was funny.
I'm gonna go in the slide. Walk on it.
You ready?
Is that what you're supposed to do? Walk on it?
Whatever you want.
Whoa! 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 Stop! No! Whoa!
Are you good?
Go, Shuchi.
Yeah. I'm loving first week. Whoa. Oh my gosh.
Let me push him, Alani. Meet me here.
Love those.
I'm gonna push Zoe. Make sure you're watching good. Ready? You ready? I got you.
I got it.
Sit.
Oh no.
Hold on. Let me get grip on my feet. Let me take my shoes off. Ready?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Yo, chill. Chill. I'm gonna fall back. This thing is scary.
Yeah, I don't want to go on that ever again. Guys, come with me. Come with me. Oh yeah. I said, oh yeah. Oh yeah. What's this? There's going on there. There's a bug on that one.
Ready, Church?
There's a bug on that one.
It's okay. Ready?
It's just a love bug.
A love bug.
Wait, but how to get all this sand up his leg already?
I don't know. I thought you guys did.
We didn't even go in. Mom, we go down that slide.
Mommy, come. Let's check if this soda's okay.
There's a lot of love bugs.
Yeah, I see that.
My feet.
Look at him.
He's just a little man.
Come Bobby. No.
Okay. So
Neither do you.
one thing.
Alani, watch him, watch him. Come on, Mimi.
Oh my
Hey,
God, already
why do you have
sand.
dirt already?
Already
Yeah, in his hands. All right, let's go find a spot.
already
Come
has
on.
sand.
I guess we gotta go over it. Emmy, you making a sandcastle?
Yeah.
All of Emilio's bathing suits don't fit him, so I have to buy him a new one. So he's just in the water proof baby thing. Waterproof Pampers. Alani and Enzo are way over there. Right there. They were like way deeper out. They're crazy. The water's cold, but it goes away not even like a minute after being in it. But yeah, this is New Smyrna Beach. These two are fighting. And I'm just gonna enjoy the kids here at the beach. So I'm just showing you this. And we'll be back, I guess, when we're on our way home. It rained out. It's currently raining. And we made it in the car. Whew.
She just turned off my AC.
You don't want the
talk
AC,
to
you
you
guys are gonna get cold. I turned it off so we drive home with it off.
Well, at least put it on one. He's chasing me, y'all. Look at him. He's taking me to the freezer because he wants me to open it for him. Told you. Whoa, don't close his fingers.
Yeah, he wants. He definitely wants it. Brain peas and stuff.
What do you want from there, bruh? You can't have nothing in here.
Yeah, we can have a cookie if he does.
You're just rearranging stuff.
I know. Okay, guy!
He's like, yeah, that's good.
Alright, end of the night. Ian got his McDonald's I promised him. He hasn't been feeling good. So that's it for tonight. I'm on my way to go get Evelyn from work, and then I'll head back home and go to sleep. So say that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Good night.
Say bye.
Say bye. Adios.